Today I am making a radiant red maple shower steamer, and I am using this mold right here, and I have quite a few that I'm going to be making. I might throw in a couple of these, I'm not sure. I like this one here, so I think these two would be the ones, because I'm using this with a soap that I have and I want to make like a gift pack, and I have this fragrance oil and I just want to use it up. So I have all my baking soda and the kaolin clay all mixed up and measured. So I'm just going to get this in the bowl and get that all set. And I have my fragrance oil, which is the radiant red maple, and that is all measured. And that, I would give you the recipe, but this is something, I don't know if I'll be making this again. So we'll see how it sells. But it smells really nice. The fragrance has like notes of vanilla and orange and clove and apple. So it smells very, reminiscent of fall. So it's perfect for the fall season. And I think it'll be great with my pumpkin soap, so it could go with that, and also my maple vanilla soap. So this is it. It's Radiant Red Maple, and that is from Wholesale Supplies Plus. So let's get this in the mixer here. And I'm going to be adding a copper sparkle mica and also racing stripe orange mica, and these are both from Brimmelberry. Okay, so I'm going to do a teaspoon of this here because I want it a little bit more orange. So this is a teaspoon. We'll see how it looks. I hope it looks good. And then that's half a teaspoon. So we'll do this one. Okay, so I'm just going to run this in the mixer real quick. I hope it's kind of orangey. That's really what I want it to be. Maybe I'll add a little bit more. I think I'm going to add just a tad bit more. I want it to have that orange fall look to it, but I'm also going to do some mica painting when I'm all done. So I'll run that again. This is my fragrance oil, the Radiant Red Maple, and then I have my polysorbate 80 in here, and also my rubbing alcohol, and that's 91%. So I just want to mix this up real quick. I'm going to add this to it. So it turns out, I think that's a nice color. Yeah, I think that would be nice. That'd be pretty. It's kind of like a dark orange, and I could probably do a little bit of red and stuff like that for the mica painting, and I'll show you that later. Just want to get all of this out. It smells really good, I have to say. I do enjoy the fragrance. Okay, so let's mix this up a little bit more. Sides here, that's the color. I will show you that. It does look orange. I think I'll add a little bit more copper. Because now's the time to add this. I did a coffee one, so I don't want the, and I used the same colorants, the same micas. So I don't want these the same color. I think it's pretty. It's a nice orange, a little bit of a dark orange. I have to be careful. I don't want it too dark, you know, because you have to be careful of what's going down the tub. Although it has the polysorbate 80, so it will not stain the tub or shower, but it's also the look. So that's the color right there. It's a nice bright orangey color, and it looks really nice. Now I'm ready to add my citric acid. And so I'm kind of winging this a little bit because it's not the usual amount of the fragrance oil that I would add. 10.6. Okay, let's sip that. It definitely smells strong. So it smells strong right now, but when it's in the shower and it has, you know, your shower, your tub is a bigger area. And then when you freshly make shower steamers, they always smell really, really strong. Then like the next day it's not as bad. So let's add this. Looks really pretty. Hopefully it's not too wet. If it is, I'll probably just add a little bit more baking soda. Seems to be okay. Okay, let's test it. Oh wow. Yeah, I think it's good. So this is what it looks like. It's holding together really well. Perfect. All right, let's get molding. We are ready to mold it. Yeah, I think I will do that one. I'd like to do a couple of them. And plus, being in Vermont, or even the New England area, people love anything that's maple. So, and we're in the tourist season right now. So this is a great gift, and I'm going to start being open on Saturdays for a little bit, so. that is it right there. I'll try the next one. It smells really good, and I think it'll go perfect with those soaps. Because I was looking to have something with those soaps for the shower myself, and I was like, you know what, I still have a little bit of that fragrance oil. I could make some shower steamers and just make that part of a gift set. Because I already have like the soaps as a gift set. Okay, let's see if I can get that little stem. Nope. The little stem does not want to. That doesn't want to work. Oh, that's fine. So I have menthol going, and then I have because I just barely made some menthol eucalyptus spearmint, and I have this scent going together. Oh my gosh. Yeah, one scent at a time. Definitely a scent overload. I was going to make some bath bombs today, but I think I'm just going to call it. See if I can do this. Okay, press down really hard. No, it doesn't like that stem. I'm not even going to bother. So I'm going to do a couple of these because this is, it's going to be, I don't want my stuff to dry out. And it's all the leaves anyway, so I have 4 there. So I'll try to do more of the maple. That's what people really like. So I'm going to make this as a set. I don't know if any of the stems will work. I don't know. Let's see, is the stems going to work? Probably in this. This one here is an oak. This is an oak leaf right here. Pretty sure. Yeah, it's a ginkgo. I think that might be a hawthorn. And this one here is, maybe that's an oak. Hawthorn. Wow, I don't know if this was a good idea. Oh, we're trying it out together. I just want to use up that fragrance oil is what I wanted to do. So if you know what this shape is, this one here is maybe the hawthorn, and that's an oak. I'm not sure what this one is, and then I know that's ginkgo, and this is definitely maple. So if you know what it is, let me know in the comments. And I have my ginkgo over here. I have one of these growing in my greenhouse. I've had it for over 10 years, and it's probably about 3.5 feet tall. So I guess it can survive in this cold climate up here. And we shall see, because I think like next year I'll have to transplant it. Okay, let's flip this over. Oops, that was not a good thing. So this is your ginkgo. Oh, the leaves worked out on these. but not the maple. Doesn't like maple. So that's the ginkgo right there. That's a hawthorn right here. And then this one's an oak because it's longer. It's a longer leaf. And then this here, we don't know what that is. I will look it up and put it on below after I do the video. And then we know this is a maple. Okay, so I'm going to finish up this batch here and then I will show you the painting. So now I've mixed the mica, 2 different types of mica. I used, it's a raspberry, what it is, it's a raspberry mica from Brambleberry, and then I used the copper sparkle mica, that's also from Brambleberry, and they're both lip safe and skin safe. Then a little bit of glycerin and some isopropyl alcohol. So I have my slurry right here, and it is a slurry. I have it all slurred up. And so I'm going to start painting this. Hopefully you can see this. They smell really nice, not too strong. Because I made these yesterday and oh, they were so strong. I had the scent in my nose when I went home. So it's very strong, but now it's not too bad. It's really mellowed out and it's perfect. So thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate you watching my channel and subscribing. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. So if you want to learn about making super strong shower steamers, the next one to watch is super strong shower steamers. And that's the one with menthol crystals. And that's for like your sinus and winter season or allergies. Alright, well thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.